This day trading strategy is so stupid simple that anyone can learn it in less than 10 minutes. It made me over $3,000 today and routinely makes me thousands of dollars a day in real money. Now, today's video is not about ICT, it's not about SMC, it's price action mixed with order flow. So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how I caught nearly 100 points trading NQ shorts on this downside move here. I called this move live in real time to all of my students, as you can see here.
That was nasty. Never made 800 so fast. 440, 632, 1,020, 500, 400, 1,200, 300, 1190, 808, 400, 507, 532. Let's go.
And now I'm going to break down my exact strategy to help you learn and implement this as soon as tomorrow. And all I ask is if you get value from this video is you tap in, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next so I can keep bringing you value every single day. Now, first and foremost, let's talk about the most important part of this, price action. Order flow is a great tool, and I'm going to teach you how to use it in this video, but price action is king, always has been, and always will be. So we look at our pre-market action to start the day, and we first want to mark out our London session low and London session high. That is a must for me every single day as a day trader. Now, once I have those levels marked, the work begins at New York Open. Now, as you will see here, if my mouse would cooperate, we open up, have aggressive move up, second move up, and then failure. We're going to mark our 15-minute high of the first 3 5-minute candles right there, and then our 15-minute low right here. Now, we will be talking about my orb strategy in this video, but it's not the whole picture in today's video. You see, we always want to see a break above or below the 15-minute low or high with higher 5-minute volume. So when we get this close below this 15-minute low here with increasing volume, that tells me there is likely a short side setup in play as long as we confirm. So we get the move down here, move back up where we close right at this 15-minute low. But what do we notice about this specific candle? We have lower volume, which tells me we might not be ready to reverse just quite yet. So on this closure, I then look for a move back up into this trend setting candle, into this fair value gap we have here, trend setting candle here. And as we move up, that is where order flow comes into play. Because you see on this move up here, we wick into this fair value gap, we begin to wick down, and you can tell our buying is much less aggressive. You can see very clearly here that these aggressive buyers are getting weaker and weaker as we move up. So we have a failure to go higher here. Our sellers are stepping in. You can see that from the wick. We define our risk above this candle high at 725. We enter around the 710 area, 710 to 715, give or take. And the price target here, as I have marked out, is first going to be low a day, so a 3-hour trade. And then we are going to target London lows, which would have been a 7-hour trade. However, we didn't quite get down there. Now, whenever I'm using order flow, and I have a really good example for you guys in just a moment as well, I want more confluence in my positions. Order flow isn't the end all be all, but it's a very good tool that I've been using for a while now. I just haven't made videos on it because I wanted to really feel like a master of it myself and make good money off it first before teaching it to you guys. I've been trading for 9 years, so whenever I learn something, unlike most of these gurus these days who have been trading for 2 years and trying to teach, I've been trading for 9. I didn't start teaching till I was over 4, almost 5 years into my trading journey. And now that I'm getting really good at order flow, I'm teaching it to you guys. So if you guys want a full tutorial on that as well, let me know in the comments, and I'm happy to make you guys that if you think it would be valuable for your trading and for your confidence as a trader. So we want to see this aggressive move down first. However, we don't end up getting the move to London low. But what do we notice near London low? We miss it by about 15 points. But then on this reversal candle, what do we see here with this 5-minute volume? We have aggressive volume and an aggressive pin bar to the upside, which typically speaking, when you see this, you'll start to see a reversal come in. So I was done trading for the day at this point. I wasn't going to put on any more risk. However, When you see this type of structure playing out on your 5-minute chart on the NASDAQ, on the S&P 500, or any individual names, this is a very good sign that a reversal is coming and price is going to try for it, at a minimum, a mean reversion, and at maximum, a trend up for the day and a full-blown reversal. So that's what we see here. We trend up to the mean, the 50% retracement. We hold here and then slowly move up, break above London high, retest, and then we just trend up for the rest of the day, as you'll see here. Now let's talk about my example from Bookmap and from the order flow that I want you guys to really understand. So if we go to where we had our big breakout for the day, let's go ahead here. When we're looking at this order flow, you want to look for the very bright red areas above or below. That shows in our order book. Let me pull this over. Let me pull this over. You can see that here, where our resting orders are sitting. Now, when we get up to this 800 area, you'll notice that we had a lot of sell orders sitting here. We had over 400 sell orders in our order book sitting here. So when we move up to this, we absorb all of those sellers with aggressive buying here. We get one retest back down. Sellers are not aggressive here. And then we continue moving up. So when we come up and absorb those resting or those dormant sellers that are waiting for their orders to be filled, sellers can't push us back down. There's a very high probability that price is going to move to the upside further. Now, I'm not saying we're going to keep trending on up and never test that level back down. In this case, we did. But you can very clearly see here that order flow told the story. You saw the aggressive break around this 800, right? You saw this aggressive volume here. Let me go ahead and move this over so you can see. We saw this aggressive volume here over 800, confirmation in our candlesticks. We saw the break above our 15-minute high, as well as our order flow confirmation and those sellers getting absorbed as well. So that's what I want you guys looking for when it comes to using order flow. It's not a signal machine, but it does help give you more of an edge or a higher probability in the trades that you take. I try to make all of my education as simple as possible. When I teach you guys, I want you to focus on discipline over dopamine. That's what I teach every single day inside Team Bull. And I'm very transparent about the fact that 95% of traders will lose over time. The 5% of traders who make it trade with the system, trade with discipline. They stay focused. They're not trying to get rich quick. They're not churning and burning accounts. They come in, confirm their trades, trade smart, trade safe, and rinse and repeat every single day. That's what my students do. That's what I've been doing for 9 years. Well, not the whole 9 years, but you get the point. I've been working at it, becoming better and better at it every single day for 9+ years as a trader. I didn't start trading a year ago, show you guys eval gains, and then start teaching. No, I got skin in this game, homie. I've been working at this for a long time. So when I tell you guys I want you to stay focused and keep the long-term vision because this is a really hard game, I mean that. It takes blood, sweat, and tears. It takes a lot of sacrifice to make it, and not just make money, but keep money as a trader long-term. So trade smart, trade safe. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hit that subscribe if you guys do get value from this, or if you did get value from this. And let me know in the comments what you want to learn more about, how I can help you read order flow, get a better probability with your trades, and let's learn and level up together. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.